Changzhou Hanstar Digital Technology Company Limited is an enterprise specializing in the research, development, production, and sales of advertising CNC equipment as a whole. Founded in 2021, the company is located in Zhengzhou City, which is in the middle of China, and is committed to providing high-quality printing equipment and solutions. After years of deep research and efforts of the team, we have developed several series of inkjet printers, such as DTF, DTG, UV DTF printer, UV flatbed printer, and inkjet printers for special industries. And we have independent R&D and manufacturing capabilities. And we have comprehensively implemented the CE, CB, ROS, ISO 9001 Quality Management System, ISO 14001 Environmental Management System, ISO 45001 Occupational Health and Safety Management System. In the process of company development, we rely on professional standards and quality services in more than 50 countries and regions around the world to establish a sales and service network. Leveraging a strong digital platform and taking digital inkjet printing technology as the core, Hanstar has established a complete supply chain globally to provide a full range of digital inkjet printing solutions for color printing needs of different industries. On the way forward, we let the professional externalization in the action, collection of industry talent, aggregation of majestic force, constantly break through new boundaries in the self-exploration.